So we are building a root rake for the mini excavator. I got it started, and I had my help show up. So what this is basically designed like is a root rake on a dozer, where you can unpin and repin it on. Got 2 grade A bolts in it. So we're gonna see how things work here in a minute. As soon as we get it all welded up and finished up, which you just got to cut 5 more of those and just burn them on real fast and go try it. See if I can break it. And while I've got the welder out, I'm going to weld a D-ring on the bucket. Yeah, this is already coming together. Using the Miller-Matic 141 on this job. It'd be a little easier to weld it up. Alright, I'll get the ring. I know everybody loves dogs, so I'll show you our latest addition to the farm. Meet Shithead, aka Sadie. Hey buddy. Hey little filler. It's our new border collie. Our old one died, so we got a new one. And she's special, as you can see. Good dog. You photogenic dog. She likes chewing on my boots. Good dog. Good dog, ain't ya? So, I should have a D-ring laying there somewhere. The B12's in the shop getting a motor put on it. I had a D-ring around here somewhere. But I didn't throw that thing somewhere. I can't find it. Hang on a moment until I find it. Let's go try it, boys. Ready to go tear it up? Woo-hoo! Let's see what happens.
These trees don't stand a chance out here in the wild. We're excavating 320 on the machine. Anything's possible today. That's right. We're showing these trees who's boss. That's right. Woo! Taking trees, ripping names. That's right. Oh yeah, looking pretty smooth, that new rake that we just made today. Sure does make a big difference. Sure does help a lot. Yeah, that's pretty good. Makes it a lot easier than a Rake. For one more time than I got in it.
No, because he ain't got much time.
No. Turned out pretty nice.